Are you tired of spending countless hours scouring the web for property listings? Introducing the ultimate solution Redfin Scraper, revolutionary tool that revolutionizes the way you search for properties. With Redfin Scraper, finding your investment property is easier than ever before. Here's how it works. Step 1. Simply enter your desired city, address, school district, agent name, or zip code. Step 2. Select whether you're looking for properties that are sold for sale or available for rent. Step 3. Click Start Scraping and let Redfin Scraper do the heavy lifting for you. Within minutes, Redfin Scraper will compile a comprehensive list of properties that match your criteria. But wait, there's more. With Redfin Scraper, you have the power to export your data in CV or JSON format. Whether you're a real estate investor agent or simply searching for your next home, Redfin Scraper has you covered. So why wait? Experience the future of property searching today with Redfin Scraper. For more information or to get started, visit my Upwork profile. The link is in the description below.